On the ICC issue lang po. The common criticism from the opposition camp is that sinusuko daw po lagi ng Administrasyong Marcos yung mga Pilipino sa foreign courts instead of hearing their cases here in the Philippines. How does the palace respond to these allegations that are expected to resurface anew once Senators Ronald De La Rosa, Bongo, and other co-perpetrators are arrested?
Malamang yan po ang kanilang sasabihin. Pero tandaan natin, ano ba nangyari noong dating, sa panahon ni dating Pangulong Duterte? Maraming bang nakasuhan ng mga general? Kaya nga po sinasabi ko sa inyo, records mismo, di umano, naggawa ng report si Mayor Magalong tungkol sa mga maanumalyang pagpapatay. So, sino yung mga generals na yun na dapat involved? Ba't hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nakakasuhan? Noong dating nagsilbing bilang oversight committee head si Mayor Magalong up to 2016, meron siyang report. So, sino-sino yung mga general na yon na dapat ay nakasuhan? Hindi ba dapat noon pa?
Ma'am, just to challenge that point, that happened during the Duterte administration when the former president was still in power. But now that Marcos Jr. is in power, can the Philippine justice system not be able to try these alleged co-perpetrators here in the Philippines now that a different president is in power?
Okay. We can say that the cases can be held and can be heard before the courts here in the Philippines, but we also have a rule, we also have a law that allows the government to surrender the alleged defendants to the International Criminal Court. So it's a choice. Para mas hindi mapolitika. Hindi ba mas maganda kung korte na hindi naiimpluwensyahan at hindi masasabing namumulitika ang siyang didinig para walang masabi, manalo man ang dating Pangulong Duterte, walang masasabi. Matalo man ang dating Pangulong Duterte at kanyang mga co-perpetrators, walang masasabi ang Pilipino. Dahil neutral yun. Hindi po maaaring impluwensyahan.
Ma'am, last from my end, ito pong debate on whether or not dapat isuko sila overseas or here stems from the fact na the Philippines withdrew from the ICC, from the Rome Statute during the time of former President Duterte. With this, to settle this confusion nowadays, does the Marcos administration consider to rejoin the ICC? I know this question has been already raised in previous years, but with the current predicament, is there a form of reconsideration from the president?
The president has not talked about that.
PDP Laban also decried what it called the derogation of sovereignty daw under the Marcos admin.
Sabi nga natin, sumusunod tayo sa sarili nating batas at nakikipag-cooperate din po tayo sa Interpol.
Hindi necessarily yung dating view ni Yes Bersamin, yun na yung view automatic ng palasyo.
Yes, hindi yun ang maaaring pananaw